Okay, hey guys, yesterday I couldn't make a video because, well, I made a video, but the mic wasn't turned on, so couldn't post it. But, I do want to tell you guys that yesterday was the first day I began trading with real money, and I did make money. I made $62.50. So, that's what I made yesterday. I took a short market at the open and I covered it for a point and a quarter. Um, Today we will be trading in the live account once again. You could tell it's live because of the dome. As you can see, it's in a white background. Whenever it's in a white background, we know that it is real money. Whenever it's in a gray background, we know it's a sim. So let's switch it back to the real money. And it's 9 o'clock right now. We have no reports coming out. It's quadruple witching Friday. And what I want to see today is we're opening pretty much in this area right here, which I've noticed as low volume and the value area high. I'm expecting a neutral day if we open, or bearish. Neutral to bearish day today. So I'm more on the short side, either shorting at the 99s, the 96.50s, 94s, or initiative break of the 90.75s. So I'm on the short side today. 30 minutes still open, and we'll see what we do. Okay guys, we opened higher and had an immediate sell-off. We're coming into yesterday's close and high volume. I want to see how this market reacts there. I'd like to possibly get long. Because we opened above the 96s, we are neutral, and we are going to try and play this range. So, see how the market reacts to these 94. Okay guys, we got filled short at 97.75. Reason is because we looked like we are testing high of the day, and then we saw some responsive selling coming in on bid ask. Therefore, we want to get short against this. The Nasdaq looks way overextended. It had a very nice up move. It looks overextended, looks like a stop run, so we're gonna get short here. Okay guys, we're getting some continuation. We want to see these 96s break again. Then we could see some continuation. We're going to see if this trade can turn into initiative and break these lows. That's what we want to see. And I like how we're getting some selling on the delta. Okay guys, we're going to close it for a point and a half. Oh, a point and three quarters. So we took that trade for $87.50. That is $25 more than yesterday. So that is an improvement. Check mark. There we go. So let's go over that trade. Market opened, correct? It opened higher than the previous day, which does indicate some strength. But we knew there was a high from the previous day at 99.75. So what we did was the market, it first auctioned lower, which signaled weakness. You could have had a possible buy at the close of yesterday and or at the high volume node. But anyway, it had to auction lower, which means there was a seller in this market before it auctioned higher. There are two things the market could do at the open. Either open and just go in one direction. Open, test one direction, then go one way. Open, test one way, test the other way, and do that. And just chop around. And the other one is just stable movement, just back and forth, hardly any movement. And you could see it's gone actually higher from where we got out, much higher, so that was a nice trade. But as we were saying, it had to auction lower before it auctioned higher. We didn't get a good fill, but we got near that high. And because we knew there was a seller in control, it's a weaker test of the high with buyers, much weaker test. So the only thing the market can do really his auction lower to get those buyers to come back again. And you could see what the market has just came back, and that's what it did. It came back to find buyers once more, possibly in this low volume area here, which I pointed out with that red line. And that's pretty much what we took that trade off of. We'll see if we could actually have some continuation. Our stop was at one tick above the high, so we're gonna let the day go. We'll see if we could have gotten some more. Remember, this is my second day trading real money, and I just want to, go out with some quick profits. And then once I build up the account, and I recommend this to everyone, once you build up, first start with small profits, one contract only, and then once you get up there, you get the account up there, you have a lot of winning days, then maybe increase your contract size or hold in for longer. Right now, like if on a sim, I would still be holding this probably. I'd still be seeing if we could get some continuation, and we'll see if that happens. So we had a very nice trade, $87, and over the course of 2 days, we have profited $150. So very nice 2 days. We'll see. We're gonna switch it back to the sim, and we'll see if any trades come. Okay, guys. So we got another test of the open right here, and we're gonna just get short off of that again. We're on the sim. This is 2 ticks below our live trade, which was at 97.75. So still in my head, I am in that live trade because I want to see if I would get some continuation. And our stop in the live trade is 2 ticks above this too. So I do believe there is a seller in control of this market, although you obviously can't see on the delta there's overall buying. But if you look at these charts, look here, there's a bigger selling tail than buying tail here. This bar hasn't been fully formed yet, and look where volume is. More of the volume is lower than higher, unless the market does want to probe higher to try and test these. So what really matters is the live trade worked, and the sim is just for testing, just to continue watching the strategy and seeing how it works in different times. So we'll let this trade run. And guys, as you can see, we're having pretty nice downdraft. See if we could test here or even possibly here. So, oh, we actually just broke lows. Well, short-term lows. Okay, we're coming to test the high volume node, so let's close this for $125 gain. Looking to possibly buy the 90.75s next. So guys, as you can see, we had continuation, and the levels that we were watching were all broken here and here. So this is kind of null now. We're only looking at the 2 extremes, which is here and here, and we actually just touched this low, and we're bouncing a bit from it, so we just touched it. And if we put it back, it's possible we might have some range extension here, where we'll have one node right over here, and we'll drop, and then we'll have another node over here, double distribution. But it's kind of rare that will happen, but it's possible. So this level breaks, it could get pretty ugly. So we're gonna watch these 90s. But we have no more time left in this video, so we're gonna have to end it here. So that's our kind of inference for the day. Could have a double distribution here, or we could just range back in. So thank you for watching this video. We made 125 fake money and $87 in real money.